Hi students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you a new topic, third semester in English, fifth unit. In fifth unit, we have a note making. This is very important topic for the students. What is note making? Let us see. Note making is a very useful practice to make notes. For making notes or prepare a note, it is very useful practice. We get these notes from books, speech, passage, or an article. For preparation of this note, we get the information from an article, a passage, or a book, or a speech. While we writing this note making, we have to remember, we are able to remember or reconstruct entire the passage. See here, one passage given to you. So, while you are writing, note making, you read thoroughly the given passage and understand the theme of the passage or the speech and write down main ideas. These practice helpful to you to understand what is important in the passage. While you are reading this passage, you can one conclusion. You have to get knowledge from the passage. We must have to organize all the points sequence order. In the course of time, we can express our thoughts clearly and can write effectively. You can write it effectively, clearly, to readable while you are reading thoroughly. To make notes from a passage or an article and a book, we must have a clear idea about it. While you are reading this passage, you will get a clear idea. It is very helpful to you. And this type of reading is called skimming. Then we should give a close reading with the passage and understand. So, after understanding the passage or article or a theme, we should know about the division of the passage. Once you read this passage, you have to divide them into points. You make some points. You make some ideas on this particular given passage. In your question paper, it is a 5-mark question, 5 marks question. This question you can attempt easily. because already the passage or an article given to you in your question paper. It is very easy to answer the question because you can read all this passage thoroughly. One time, second time, third time, like that. And you can come one conclusion and understanding. So, first of all, you have to do some steps, necessary steps. After reading complete the passage, give a suitable title for this passage. A suitable title. And if there are any main points is there, and give subtitle and subtitle. For example, main ideas you give like number 1, 2, 3, like that. For sub ideas, for subtopics, you have to give 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like that. If there are any subtopics, and you have to give 1.1a, 1.1b, like that. So, it should be clear those who are reading it. So, first of all, we must have to read the passage completely and understand what is said in it. First of all, we have to read the complete passage and understand what is said in it. Let us see one exercise from this topic. In this note making, we have a beautiful topic for us here. Exercise 1. Today, the newspapers have become a part of man's life. These are very important for the progress of man and the country. Man will live in darkness if there are no newspapers. The newspapers give the latest information about many things that happen in the world. Some newspapers are regional. Some newspapers come once or twice a week. But most of the newspapers, daily newspapers. Some newspapers give information about particular field like commerce, sports, politics. These newspapers spread knowledge and culture on one can about various things. One can know about various things and improve one's knowledge. One can understand the habits, behavior, and culture. These are many uses of newspapers. See here a small passage given to you. Just read it thoroughly. Read it and understand it, and write the main ideas, main points. And after completion of reading this passage, give a suitable title. In first reading, we can understand it is said about newspapers. So, newspapers, they play an important role in the society, in man's life, even in a country. For development, newspapers are useful. Without newspapers, we cannot imagine our day-to-day life. Everything, it will be in a darkness. So after newspapers, the society rapidly changed, because you know that news, for example, news, NEWS. Here we can see the meaning of the news: north, east, west and south. We collect the news, all these four corners. Then we can understand what is happening around us. So they are playing an important role in our life. So if you are not understand this, the first reading, read it again and again, and then get ideas from the passage. And you have to do one thing: read the whole passage carefully. That is first point. Second one is underline the main points. And the third point is give title, suitable title. First, read the passage carefully. And the second one, underline the main points. For example, underlined main points: progress, news, regional, weeklies, daily, knowledge. This type of, you can underline any word from the passage. Underline the main points, and use abbreviations. While you writing note making, use your abbreviations. For example, USA, if there any word is there, you can write abbreviations also. United States of America, UK, United Kingdom, like that. You can use abbreviations, and you can use numbers, whatever it is. First of all, read the passage carefully, write the main ideas, underline the main points, give suitable title, and if there any lengthy passage or more than one passage, give subtitles also. For subtitles, you have to give points wise. You have to write points wise. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, like that. Then, points must be short. Whatever point or main idea you write, it should be short in form. No lengthy sentences. Don't make it lengthy. Make them short. Then use points to write a summary also. After completion of this thing, you have to write a summary. So while writing this note making, you can get clear picture or clear idea on the given passage. From this passage, I can write the main ideas from this passage. Let us see the main ideas. What are the main ideas or important ideas in this passage? Let us see. After reading the passage, you have to come to one conclusion. That is, first of all, you have to read the passage carefully and write main ideas, main points, and give subtitle, title, and suitable title. And after do all these things, you have to do another important thing is, after reading this passage, you have to do like this. First of all, in the question paper, you have to do like this. In the answer, first you have to give title, newspaper. After reading the passage, it is saying about newspapers. So we have to give title, newspaper. In first point, different kinds of newspapers. Different kinds of newspapers. Nowadays, we have to see many different kinds of newspapers. In this passage, the above passage, we seen that these type of newspapers, first is regional newspaper. Regional. It is a certain place, like a state, in the state. And weekly newspapers, they comes weekly once. And the third one is fortnights. Fortnight newspapers means 15 days, like 2 weeks once they come. And dailies, daily newspapers. You know that our Eenadu, Sakshi, Deccan Chronicle, Hindu, they are the example of these daily newspapers. And the second one, the second main point in that given passage, uses of newspapers. What are the uses of the newspaper? After reading, you know that the important of the newspaper, and you can write like this: understanding one another. For reading news, you can understand one another. You make friendship with one another. While you are reading this newspaper, you can meet different people through the newspaper. And you can understand who is President of India and who is Prime Minister of India, and who are the chief ministers, the India and the different states. You can get more knowledge while you reading the papers, and write that point also. And the second point is happenings in the world. After reading the passage, the newspapers, you may know what are the happenings around the world. Not only our state, not only our country, in our country, and many things you can understand by reading these newspapers. And what is going on in our surroundings, what is happening in our surroundings, you can understand while reading the newspapers. And the third point is, from the given passage, you can understand information about radio programs or TV programs. So, when you read the newspaper, you can understand this type of news. So, what news is given to you, and what are the programs they were telecast in the radio, and then you can understand the timings also. And so time the program will commenced. And then not only that, the radio programs and TV programs and other programs also you can see and understand while reading these newspapers. These are the importance, these are the uses of the newspaper. In that passage we can see one thing: if you are not reading the newspapers, your life will be in a darkness. You don't know anything what is happening around the world. So while you reading this, there are so many you can get uses. And the third point in that passage, newspapers spread knowledge and culture. Especially you people, students, while you reading the newspaper, you can know many things and you can get knowledge and culture and study material and for education, for sports, games, so many things you can learn while reading newspaper. Here the third point is the newspaper spread knowledge and culture. Under this heading you can see 3 points. The first point is improve your knowledge, especially by listening, by reading we get more knowledge, especially through newspapers. The second point is the habits, culture of others. After reading the passage, you can understand the others' culture, others' opinions, and their habits, how they are living in this society and what they are doing for achieving all these things. You can understand. The third point is interesting literary culture, especially for literature. If you want to improve your speaking skills or communication skills, you go through newspaper. Then you will be developed, you will be improve your spoken skills. These are the points to the given passage under this section of note making. While you writing note making, it's very simple. Already they have given to you a passage. Read the passage and understand that passage main ideas and write heading. Under the heading there are subtopics, subheadings, and even you can use abbreviations and you even use the letters and so many things. This is for note making exercise 1. In note making, second exercise, exercise 2. In exercise 1, we have to see that the importance of newspapers, the uses of newspapers. Here, in second exercise, we have to see different type of things. In this passage, we read about pollution. Nowadays, people are affected pollution in many ways. Let me read for you. These are different forms of environmental pollution. Air pollution is caused by the burning of coal and oil. It damages the earth's vegetation and cause respiratory problems in humans. The second type of pollution is noise pollution. It is the result of the noise of aircrafts and heavy traffic. Another source of pollution is radioactivity. It is a deadly pollutant which kills and causes irreparable damage to those exposed it, land and water. Pollution is caused by the careless disposal of huge quantity of rubbish, sewage and chemical wastes. In note making, they will give this type of passage. Whenever you read this type of passage, you have to read more than one time or two time, three time. After reading this passage, this type of passage, first you have to do one thing, underline the main points. So this is about pollution, environmental pollution. So first of all you have to do one thing, types of pollutions, underline them. For example, air pollution. First one is air pollution. And write down the causes of air pollution and the effect of air pollution. That is one topic. And the second one is noise pollution. Underline it. The first one is air pollution, and write down under the air pollution the causes and effect. The second one is noise pollution, and under down their effects and causes. The third one is radioactivity. It is, you know that it is very deadly pollutant, air pollution, and people may it may kills people and causes irreparable damage. So it is very, very dangerous pollution. And after leakage of this radioactivity stations, and then the fourth one is land and water pollution. And write down under this heading the causes and effects. After reading this passage, you may know that you can get idea about the passage and write the main points. Through this passage, you can give a title and subtitle, and you write the important of this passage. You can write under the this session. In this topic, in note making, already we discussed about exercise 1. In exercise 1, we read about newspapers and their importance. And again, we discussed about in exercise 2 pollution. Already I explained about pollution. After reading the passage about the pollution, and you get main ideas, underline the main ideas from the passage. Especially in that passage, the important and main ideas are different types of pollutions: air pollution, noise pollution, radioactivity, and land pollution, land and water pollution. Newly another pollution also joined in these pollutions, that is light pollution. Light pollution also damage both humans and animals. With the light pollution, humans, they may get different skin diseases. That diseases caused to them, even they may death for that disease. Here, after reading the passage completely, underline their important points and give a title. I am giving this passage a title. The title name is Pollution and its Forms. After reading, I come to a conclusion. This is about pollution. You can also understand what it says, what is it refers. It refers to the pollution. Here, in this passage, how many pollutions are there? First of all, you find out that pollutions. See, first write the title, and you also write your own title after reading the passage. For my understanding, I read the passage and I keep a heading or title, Pollution and its Forms. Here, the first pollution is air pollution. Nowadays, people are suffer a lot by this pollution. What is air pollution? First of all, you have to know that. And causes of air pollution and effects of the air pollution. Write like this: air pollution, and underline it. And then there are subtopics. Write like this: first, air pollution, the causes of air pollution, burning of coal and oil, burning of coal and oil. So wastage of burning, wastage of oil, for burning of them, and it mixed with the air, and then it make a big damage to the humans. And effect of this air pollution is damage of earth vegetation. The vegetation of the earth, all the plants, animals, flowers, birds, and all the living things were affected by the air pollution. The second effect is respiratory problems in humans. Nowadays we are all facing respiration problems. You know, there are so many vehicles. We are using fuel in that vehicles, and the smoke released from the vehicles, and that smoke mixed with the air, and we are getting that polluted air, and automatically people, they were affected respiratory problems. And the second pollution is noise pollution. After reading the passage, you can understand the second pollution is noise pollution. Underlined that noise pollution in that passage, and note down the second subtitle, noise pollution. For that noise pollution causes, what are the causes of noise pollution? Noise of aircrafts. The first reason for noise pollution is aircrafts. Thousands of aeroplanes, aircrafts, they are flying one place to another place, and they release a lot of smoke. That is the reason the air noise pollution is caused. And heavy traffic is also come under noise pollution. All the roads are busy nowadays. There are so many vehicles, 4-wheelers, 3-wheelers, 2-wheelers, and heavy traffic, horns, and the sound, that is the cause, noise pollution. And the third cause is for noise pollution is loud music. In functions or any big meetings, we can see there is a lot of noise pollution. This noise pollution, heavy traffic, and big sounds, musics, loud musics. Through this we can get noise pollution. What is the effect of noise pollution? Let us see. People's hearing problem, they get hearing problems. For this noise pollution, from children to elders, small people, small children to elders or old people, they are all getting hearing problems. This is the effect of noise pollution. And severe headaches. For this noise pollution, people may get headaches. In the hospitals we can see many people, they were affected, they were suffering from headache. And the third one is high blood pressure. After receiving the noise pollution, the getting noise pollution, there are so many problems like hearing problem, headaches, high blood pressures, BPs. The cause, noise pollution, high blood pressure. So sometimes those who are getting this high blood pressure, mentally they were disturbed and they were damaged their life because of noise pollution. Now come to after reading that passage, you can find out the third one. The third pollution is radioactivity pollution. For this pollution, there are one cause, a major cause is leak from nuclear reactors. Leakage, nuclear reactors are there. If any leakage happened, and what will happen? And it will comes out, and people may kill. Effect of this radioactivity pollution even kills those who exposed it. Even their workers and those who are exposed to it, they may kill by this pollution. And the second effect of this radioactivity pollution is causes irreparable damage. There is a big damage. We cannot repair them. We cannot repair that. So, irreparable damage of this pollution. This is very dangerous pollution among these three pollutions. And the final and the last pollution is land and water pollution. Especially all the people, they are live on land and they use water here. And if these two things were polluted, and we cannot live, we cannot survive. And for these causes, we can see careless disposal of wastes. We throw some bottles, water bottles, and eatables, wastage, so many things to cause this pollution. And mixing of sewage into water bodies. And nowadays drainage system is not good. And if there any leakage for water pipes, and what will happen? The mixing of the water, the bad water and the good water, mixing of sewage into water bodies like canals, ponds, rivers, they are all getting this type of mixing water, and automatically the water also polluted by this cause. And the effect of this land and water pollution, it is very severe pollution. Waterborne diseases. There are waterborne diseases. The second effect is poisoned food productions. They may poison by this water pollution and damage the marine life. And marine life like fish, all the living in the water, all the fish and other animals, they were damaged by this pollution. See, the last and final one is light pollution. It is also very dangerous pollution. The light pollution, people may get diseases like skin diseases and other diseases through the light pollution. So, in note making in this session, we have to, first of all, we have to learn what is note making and how to write a note how to prepare a note. We prepare from this a passage or a book or an article or in a speech. We can get all this information, and in examination point of view, they will give you this type of questions, passage, they will give passage. From that passage, you have to note down the main points and give title and subtitle and subtitles, and then you can get good marks. And you do more than exercise, like first exercise already we done for you, newspapers, and the second exercise is pollution, and you can do your own, you can get your own passages and write down them, and you will get good marks. Thank you watching.